Hi, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth and honest Copy AI review. So you are in the right place. In this Copy AI review, we are gonna run through exactly what is copy, how much does copy cost, how can copy help you, pros and cons of copy, and exactly what is my recommendation. This way you could decide if this platform is worth joining. Now, if you don't know what Copy AI is, it is an online short form copy generator. It can generate entire blog posts in one click, but it excels as short form content such as email subject lines, blog titles, outlines, points to paragraphs, intros and outs, headlines, social media captions, product descriptions, and that sort of thing. The background on this tool includes GPT-3 technology created by OpenAI, which was designed as an autoregressive language model. You only need to write an excerpt of what you want your content to have, and the platform will generate a copy for you in seconds. If you are struggling with writing a product description or caption for your social media posts, Copy AI can do this for you quickly. It will only give a short explanation of the content you need, like topics, like you can describe your audience, promotion, occasion, etc. Here is what this service can write for you. Add copy in the headlines, emails including thank you notes, confirmation emails, captivating subject lines, etc. Social media captions, posts, introductions, etc. Product descriptions, blog intros, ideas and meta descriptions, text for landing pages, sales copy. Generally, Copy AI can reduce brainstorming and plan for content by a significant percentage. Copy AI offers three options ranging from free plan to pro plan to team plan. As a user, you can choose to pay monthly as well as yearly. By choosing the yearly plan, you can save more than $160. Free plan, perfect for testing. $0, no credit card required, 10 credits per month, 100 credits as a sign up bonus, 25 plus languages, 90 plus copywriting tools. Pro plan, perfect for small business. By choosing monthly, you will pay $49 per month. In the yearly option, you will pay only $35 per month. Unlimited credits, unlimited projects, 25 plus languages, 90 plus copywriting tools, priority support, access to our newest features, premium community, custom plan, perfect for large teams. All features included in Pro Plan plus collaboration features. It's a plan that is more expensive depending on a team size. You can check out Copy AI features and pricing in detail. Just click the link in the description. Copy AI pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use. Anyone is able to use the Copy AI user interface without much training and prerequisites. Copy AI can write faster than a human. You will be able to write more content in days than you have in months. Save time by enabling AI to write great copy content. It enables you to write Facebook ads, Google ads, email newsletters, sales letters, and more things. Free plan, no credit card needed. You can try out all premium features of the Copy AI for free before making any purchasing decision. Has a Chrome extension that would definitely improve your productivity. Cons. Sometimes generates irrelevant content depending on the niche. Not good for writing texts containing a lot of factual information. Requires precise input description. No integration is available. Not optimal for long form content. To conclude this Copy AI review, it is impossible to say that Copy AI is a great solution. However, we can't even say that it is an awful option. It depends on your usage. Sometimes the paragraphs don't make sense, so you have to keep generating new ones. But in some niches, you will find a lot more than you will need. Don't forget that it relies on a specific database. More popular topics will take a bigger part of the content of the database. So for more specific content, it won't find a lot of relevant data. So make sure to test it out for free. So Copy AI can help as an assistant, especially for people who don't speak English as a first language. Other than that, I guess there are two ways to look at it. If you are a writer and you get stuck for ideas to talk about, and if you aren't a writer, this can provide you copy. So yeah, this is my honest review. And I'm sorry if I forget something in this review, but it's up to you to decide, are you gonna give this platform a shot or not? You can use my link in the description, that helps a lot. Thank you so much. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can leave a like on the video, that helps me out in YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and bye bye.